we go. A little bit late getting into this. I was back testing a lot. Um, I got to see the hourlies. We got a low there, high up here, another high there. Yeah, clear all that out. We don't want to be looking at all that. There's no highs on ES here. Like a NASDAQ, I'm thinking. We had news today. What do we have today? Yeah, it's NFP week, and we had PMI and non-farm employment change. And that came out 8:15, and then we got PMI at 10. So here's that news low. NQ smacked that. We're reversing off of that already. Haven't hit that. I'm thinking today's going to be bearish. Even though we got this SMT, I'm thinking weekly profile wise. Yeah, we got a Tuesday high. We can grade this. Yeah, so for this SMT to play out, we just got to take out this high, which we already did. So that's fine. Yes, we got turrets. Get rid of this. I don't think we'll come up and hit out this high. There's really no point for us to do that. Yeah, this is Tuesday's high. That's what we're looking for. If we do get a reversal, that'd be great. We'd probably be looking to take out this low here. Nasdaq just keeps climbing. Keep on climbing. We got Tuesday's high. So it'll be like, you want to see that. Today's gonna be another short day. I got an interview to prepare for at 10. We could reach up and take out this high on NASDAQ and stay below here on ES. We could be looking to make something shake. That's almost what I would be wanting. We got this accumulation. Technically, this was manipulation. But I'm looking at this as the manipulation leg. This wasn't really a very convincing move down. So this is a lot more convincing to go up. Especially on ES, you can see clear manipulation up. If ES could be the leading index on these shorts, I think we're looking good. If we get this retracement before we take out these levels, I guess we can look for longs because we technically got this setup for longs here. If we get that retracement, we got 5-minute confirmation of the reversal. Looking for a 5-minute retrace back into this fair value gap that's looking like it wants to form. And once we get in this gap, whoa, ES is going to take them out first. I guess that would make sense. ES is the stronger one. ES is coming up to those highs. Nasdaq staying away. Oh, you want to take it? You know you do. It's one. It's just a couple points away. So we took it on ES. Nasdaq, we're still staying below. Bitcoin's up to 116. Damn. All right, we gotta stay focused. We're getting lost. Solana's above 220. Yeah, no. Whew. I was wondering why my Robinhood was up. 4.20% today. Nasdaq, we're almost gonna get into this gap. Honestly, if we get into this gap and we break 1 minute structural upside, I'm going to take longs. It'll have to be a pretty tight stop loss, just so the R makes sense. But I still don't think we're going to run Tuesday's high. This high is, I can see, because we got this clean fair value gap here, just above there. I don't think that's too crazy for me to assume. Yeah, we already broke 1 minute structure to the downside. All we need is just another little leg down in here. ES is staying up. We can get a quick little push down there. Maybe as we come into this macro. I'd like to take it. So it doesn't have to be crazy hard. There's that leg down. Now let's see. Oh, I took a nap on the floor today, so my neck is sore. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close. That's not a break of structure technically. But we can inverse this gap. That's what it looks like we're doing. I'll bite. If it closes before it hits the order, I'm just gonna market it. It won't let me get rid of my other position. There it is. We'll do 30-point stop. That'll help our R a little bit. Oh my god, I thought that said that it triggered. It's about to. Holy fuck. This is ridiculous. See, as I get into this trade, ES starts to flip over. Yeah, that was a stupid ass trade. I literally called out the SMT foreman. That was dumb. Let me actually listen to myself. You got SMT here. We broke structure. Hold on a minute. We broke structure here. No way I'm still in this. I'm not picking my nose. I'm scratching my nose. There's no way we don't get stopped out. Like I said, I want shorts, but I took a long because I got impatient. And took a long. I'm gonna leave this up here just for me to come back to it later. I had to journal that. Nasdaq's gonna be the leading index on these shorts. So if we can inverse this gap, maybe, yeah, that'll be the closest thing. Or no, we got the SMT right here. Now we just need a 5-minute continuation. Which would be order block, equilibrium, breaker block, or fair value gap. 4 things I'm looking for. Yeah, no, it's crazy. Like literally, if I just instead of going in the direction that I want to, if I just go in the opposite direction, I'll win. That's crazy. We got a dip down here. Well, there is going to be our 79% closure. We got our breaker block is right here. Yeah, but this doesn't give price an opportunity to really draw back up in here. We got a break structure. It's the upside in order to break structure the downside. Maybe 1 or 2 minutes down here. Up candle, down candle, form the new high. Trade up into this 5 minute gap, and then look for it to turn. That might not be a bad look. I just don't know if I have time for it. There you go. Up candle, down candle. If this one could just close bearish, it'll give us a new high. And we can break structure to the upside, break structure to the downside. There we go. There we go. Bow, bow. Brokerage. So now we broke structure that way. We can look for price to break structure going the other way. But first, we wanted to tap into this gap. Nope, we're not gonna do that. See, my old self, I would have done that. I would have put the limit there. Then I would have entered without full confirmation, just anticipation. That's not how this works. We gonna wait. 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 Holy. I really want to take this one on NASDAQ just because it's the leading one. Yeah. NASDAQ looks pretty. It's just going to be hard to get a good entry on this. Unless we do something like that. This one closes up. We can get a breaker structure all the way up here. Coming out of that gap, that R will look better. As long as we close up here. Ooh, and we stay below the midpoint. Yeah, I'm just not gonna say nothing. Everything that I say is just if you listen, just do the opposite. Just do the opposite. It'll save you a lot. Okay. It's a tough little manipulation. That's a good little manipulation right there. Right back into that. That's what we want. Just drop. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. That's crazy. Yeah, no, that's precision. I know precision when I see precision. Hopefully. Hopefully. That just looks way too close to me. That looks way too close to me. Now we got this to inverse. I'm thinking to add more. No, we're not gonna do that. Is it crazy to think price will go down here? Look, that's not even my lowest target. That's not crazy. All right, we're gonna let this cook. I'll let this stay up on the screen. Just watch over this. Don't let it go nowhere. If it starts going against me, do something. Go buy some or go sell some stocks. Sell your mama stocks. Do something. Just make sure the price keeps going in this direction while I'm going. How's it looking? How's it looking? What the hell? Y'all let it go back up? Look, we all ready for the interview. Collar shirt, brand new pants. About to throw this belt on. Look, and then we got the lemon peppers. Woo! Oh my god! Matching with the Hey, if I can't trade, at least I can throw on some dress clothes. Fuck yeah, we might have to accept this internship. Trading shit not gonna pay for itself. Why you do this? Why you do this to me? Huh? Why you do this to me? The crazy part is I'm gonna get stopped out, and then it's gonna go right to where my take profit is. Cause look, this is the S&P, but ES made equal lows. It didn't make a higher low. It made equal lows. So it's coming back down here. It's just a matter of when. And if it fucking reverses off of that shit, I'm gonna be the happiest motherfucker in the world. Whoa. We're still in here. That's crazy. Damn, it's 64 outside. Broke structure. There's into a macro. It's 10 times. This bitch is gonna move. It doesn't matter which way. Ooh. Can you just stop me out, please? Like, damn. There we go. All right. Hold on, let me show P&L. That's over the past 3 days. This one was today. $59. Well, these two were from today. I forgot I took two. So another 119 down the drain. But paper trading. That's why you paper trade with a new strategy. Because you'll have shit like this where you can't figure diddly fucking squat out. So, wish me luck on my interview. And hopefully we'll be here tomorrow. Hopefully.